There's very tragic news coming in from Hathras in Uttar Pradesh, where at least 50 to 60 people have been reported dead in a stampede at a religious congregation in the area. Now, taking stock of the situation, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed senior officials to visit the stampede spot and asked to ensure treatment to those injured in the tragic incident. In fact, the Chief Secretary and the DGP have been ordered to visit Hathras. We understand that this is a stampede that has claimed over 50 plus lives. Most of the dead are believed to be women. Let's go across to Adib. Adib, many probable causes that have been looked at because we understand the DM has come out to say that one probable cause is that due to the excessive heat and humidity inside the tent, particularly, of course, given that it's monsoon, people suddenly rushed out. Is that the probable cause? We're also told that the Godman's convoy was also probably one of the reasons why people, of course, engaged in or ended up rushing into a stampede. What are your sources telling you in the government as the cause of this tragedy that has taken place in Hathras?
Well, there are two probable causes that are coming to light in the prima facie investigation. First is that due to the excessive heat and humidity, when this gathering ended, the people started rushing out towards the main road, and when this stampede-like situation happened in Hathras area. And second reason that is being told is that as soon as the preacher who was preaching in the ceremony, as he moved towards his vehicle, the people present in this ceremony in the makeshift tent, they rushed towards him to touch his feet, to take his blessings. And this is when the stampede took place in Hathras, in which around 50 plus people are being reported dead. Around 27 people have been brought to ETA, and the ETA official, district administration officials of ETA have confirmed that around 27 people have been brought to ETA, while DM Hathras is saying that around 50 to 60 people have been reported dead in Hathras only. They are being traced, and the number dead toll, the DM is saying that the exact dead toll cannot be ascertained at this time. But we are trying to do everything possible for the injured. Those who are injured, they are being given treatment. Two ministers from the state have been rushed to the spot. Lakshmi Narayan Singh, he has been rushed to the spot, and the second minister is
All right, please stay with us. We have Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Chaudhary, UP Minister, joining us on the phone line. Lakshmi Narayan जी, आप हमें क्या डिटेल्स बता सकते हैं? बहुत ही दुखद घटना हुई है हाथरस में. क्या कारण रहा है? क्या जानकारी है आपके पास?
ये एक धार्मिक प्रवचन के तहत ये दुखद घटना हुई है. इसमें बच्चे और औरतों की मरने की तादाद ज्यादा है. अभी सही फिगर तो नहीं दी जा सकती. हम घायलों को पूरी तरह से हमने एम्बुलेंस लगा दिए हैं, उपचार हो रहा है, और बाकी पोस्टमार्टम हो रहे हैं मृतकों के. सरकार की ओर से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मुझे निर्देश दिए हैं कि घायलों को 50-50 हजार रुपए और मृतकों के परिवारों को 2-2 लाख रुपए की आर्थिक सहायता दी जाएगी. इस संकट की घड़ी में सरकार इनके पूरी तरह से साथ खड़ी है.
जी, लेकिन उस इतनी ज्यादा तादाद में अगर लोग थे, बताया जा रहा है कि प्रशासन को जानकारी थी, लेकिन वहां पे सुरक्षा के और पुख्ता इंतजाम क्यों नहीं किए गए थे सर? क्या इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी है आपके पास? एडीजी
पुलिस आगरा और कमिश्नर अलीगढ़ के दोनों की टीम बना दी गई है निष्पक्ष जांच करने के लिए. जो भी दोषी होगा इस समय हम उसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई होगी. इस समय हमारे सामने सबसे पहले घायलों के उपचार की और पोस्टमार्टम की प्राथमिकता है, वो की जा रही है. तो कमेटी बना दी गई है और कमेटी निष्पक्ष जांच करेगी. कल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी घटना स्थल पर आएंगे.
Lakshmana ji, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद. Let's now cut across and listen in to what the DM of Hathras said while briefing the media a short while back.
इसमें जनपद हाथरस में तहसील सिकंदर अंतर्गत गांव मुगलगढ़ी में एक आयोजन भोले बाबा का समागम हो रहा था, जिसमें जब समागम अंत हो रहा था तो उस समय अत्यधिक उमस के कारण जब वहां से लोग निकलने को हुए तो उस समय ये घटना कारित हुई है, देखिए, अभी इसमें जिला प्रशासन अपनी तरफ से पूरी इसमें कार्रवाई कर रहा है, जिसमें कि सभी घायलों को अस्पताल और जितने भी अन्य लोग हैं उनको वहां से निकाल के अस्पताल भेजा जा रहा है। अभी एग्जैक्ट नंबर बताना पाना संभव नहीं है।
27 लोगों की पुष्टि हुई है, तो यहाँ कुछ संख्या होगी सर अनुमानित? जी,
यहाँ पे जो अभी CHC से जो मुझे डॉक्टरों ने बताया है कि लगभग 50 से 60 के आसपास की एक फिगर एक हैं जो मृतक हुए हैं। इसकी परमिशन SDM साहब द्वारा दी गई थी और इसमें एक प्राइवेट आयोजन था जिसमें कि पूरी ड्यूटी कानून व्यवस्था और सुरक्षा के लिए लगाई गई थी और इसमें बाकी व्यवस्था जो अंदर की जानी थी वो स्वयं उनके द्वारा की जानी थी और इस संबंध में उच्च अधिकारी द्वारा एक उच्च स्तर पर एक जांच कमेटी भी गठित की गई है।
कितने लोग थे सर उस पंडाल में?
जी, एग्जैक्ट ये जांच में सब निकल आएगा। एग्जैक्ट अभी ये इस स्थिति में मैं नहीं बता सकूं। अभी हमारा फोकस, जिला प्रशासन का फोकस ये है कि जितने भी घायल हैं और मृतक हैं उनको जो भी शासकीय सहायता है और जो उनको इलाज उपलब्ध कराना है वो तुरंत प्राथमिकता पे कराया जाए।
गढ़ी गांव है, वहाँ पे भोले बाबा का प्रोग्राम चल रहा था। ये जो सूचना प्राप्त हुई है उसमें भगदड़ से लोगों की डेथ हुई है। हमारे यहाँ एटा हॉस्पिटल में अब तक 27 डेड बॉडी आ गई हैं, जिसमें 23 महिलाएं हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं और 1 पुरुष की डेड बॉडी है। और ये घायल अभी नहीं आए हैं और ये बहुत दुखद घटना है।
अभी हमारे पोस्टमार्टम हाउस में जहां मैं खड़ा हूं वहां पे 27 सब आ चुके हैं, जिसमें 2 मेल हैं और 25 फीमेल हैं।
वो सब कितने आ चुके हैं?
27
और कुछ घायल भी आए हुए हैं?
घायल भी हैं।
सर क्या हादसा हुआ है?
अभी इस बारे में डिटेल जानकारी नहीं है, ये सब अभी आते जा रहे हैं।
All right, Priyank is joining us for more on this. Priyank, very clearly at this point of time, the details that are coming in, of course, are that there are over 50 people dead. In fact, 50 to 60 is what the DM has said on camera, and we're expecting, in fact, several of those who are injured and in critical condition. What is the status of the health of those individuals as per sources?
Where the death toll is also expected to, what we are fearing, could be more than 60. As of now, what my local sources have been suggesting, but the state administration is yet to come up with the exact number of the death. These injured were shifted to 2 hospitals. One was in Hathras in the government hospital, and the second one is the government hospital in Eta, because this location where this stampede happened was right in the middle of Hathras and Eta. Both the district headquarters were the closest one, so the injured were shifted there in whichever vehicle was available with the people. A few of them were shifted in the pickup vans, and few of them were taken in the ambulance, and many of them were also taken in the private car. There are 2 specific reasons which is coming up so far in the initial investigation. One is the stampede because of the excessive heat which was there at this location, and there was no arrangement which was made by the organizers. They had just pulled in more and more people to increase the followers of this self-proclaimed godman who was working as a preacher, who's popularly known in this area as Bhole Baba. And you'll be shocked to know, Madhav, that he claims that he was earlier working with the Intelligence Bureau. Now his name is Narayan, and has claimed himself as Bhole Baba, and he preaches to the people who come from different states like Rajasthan, Haryana, as well as in western part of eastern part of the Uttar Pradesh. There was a massive organization, event which was organized where the SDM had given the permission. If we talk about the legality, Madhav, the SDM had given permission to give internal security in the inner periphery of this particular area, but the outer periphery area was given to the local police and the district administration. And it is quite clearly not possible, Madhav, that the state administration was not aware that so many people are moving to a location which does not have proper facility. So the DM coming out and saying that the SDM साहब ने इस बारे में permission दिया था,
right,
it's just trying to shift the onus from his head towards the junior rank officer.
Yeah, Priyank, please